Hi, this is Krista and welcome to Aqua Roots Corner. And this is my hydroponics trial number 2. So in every hydroponics video, it's going to be called Aqua Roots Corner. Kasi nasa corner lang talaga yung hydroponics ko. So anyways, I'm going to show you the day 20. I'm going to show you the update for my hydroponic plant. Pichay. Day 26. And this is the video. Ayan, sa 26th day, yung leaves niya is lumaki na siya, guys. Ayan. Actually, hindi ko pa na-refill yung water niya. May tubig pa naman siya. Ayan. Ayan, may tubig pa siya. Hindi ako nag-refill kasi may in-order ako. Actually, meron na siyang nutrient deficiency. Feeling ko lang. Kasi hindi ko na na-check yung pH. And medyo hindi siya dark green. Actually, this grow light siguro hindi masyadong mainit, guys. Kasi yung color niya is normal green lang siya. Compared dito sa kabila. Yan. Dito sa kabila, guys, as you can see, super green ito. Super green. Like dark green. Wait, i-off natin yung pink light. So, ayan. As you can see, super dark green niya. Like, super dark. And, you know, guys, ang nilalagay ko lang dito is water lang. Walang nutrient solution. Kasi hinihintay ko pa yung pangalawang nutrient solution ko. And, iba talaga yung light na to, guys. Kasi, mafe-feel mo talaga yung hotness niya. May init talaga na nilalabas. Kaya, siguro, ganito ka green at healthy siya tingnan. Naging yellow lang yan kasi naubusan ng tubig dito. Kaya naging yellow yan siya. But since then, tubig lang yung nire-refill ko dito and okay naman siya. Healthy naman siya. Ito yung kinalabasan nung nawalan to ng water. Mga isang araw. But so far, sobrang green. Mas green siya kaysa dito. So, I was thinking I need to buy something like this na grow lights. Kasi feeling ko mas effective to. Kasi dito kapag inilagay mo, hindi mo talaga siya masyadong mafe-feel yung init. But ito, kahit dito lang siya, may init talaga siya nafe-feel. Kaya I'm planning to buy more of this compared sa dito maliliit na light. Ayan, ito yung update niya. Hindi ko na to na-transfer, diba? Kasi masyadong marami. Ayan. Okay. So, nakita nyo, diba? There's a very big difference. I was thinking, siguro, the reason why super green yung nasa pink na Tupperware compared dun sa nasa white light. Kasi, it's because of the pink light na nakalagay dun. Kasi yung pink light talaga nag-i-emit siya ng heat. As in, mafe-feel mo talaga ang heat niya compared to the white light. Yung white light kahit ganito siya kalapit, tsaka mo lang siya mafe-feel na may init but it's not so hot compared sa pink light. So, I think that is the reason why you can see a very big difference. And feeling ko mas healthy yun. And yun nga, sinabi ko sa video, yung nire-refill ko lang dun is regular water. Yung sa white light, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng kahit anong water. As in, not sol lang yun. But I should put some water today. Okay, lagyan natin ng water today. Baka naman, ouch! Baka naman yun yung reason. Pakita ko sa iyo. I will show you saan ako kumukuha ng tubig. So, ayan. Dito lang ako kumukuha ng tubig, guys. Sa CR namin. And then, after that, I will put it here. Wait. Oh my God. Ayan, magre-refill ako ng water. Kasi, my God, magagalit ang mama ko. I'm sorry guys, I can't show you my tabo because if my mom will see this video, she will get angry. So guys, ayan, I decided to add water. I can't show you the tabo, but I can show you na na nag-move ang tubig. Ayan. I can show the tabo, guys, because my mom's watching my vlog, no? So, ayun, nag-refill na ako ng water. And, hindi ko na siya, kailangan kong i-move yung camera palayo sa tabo or kabo in Bisaya. Because my mom's watching my vlogs and she will complain if the leaves will turn greener after like 6 days, 31 days, during 31 days. Then maybe it's my fault. Hindi ko siya na-refill or hindi ko siya na-additional ng water. So, medyo na-dehydrate lang siya. Kasi yung sa pink talaga, sobrang strong na yung stem niya. At saka yung leaves niya, ano na siya, strong na siya. Tingnan, healthy, super healthy. No lang not sold, super healthy talaga. So, I was thinking maybe I did some miscalculations or I did some wrong decisions. But, well, we are still in the second trial. So, let's hope that the third trial will be successful. Okay? So, it's gonna be this... mataas na naman. So, this video is supposed to be so short kasi update lang siya sa day 26. So, guys, see you on day 31 or day 32. Okay? And that will probably be around New Year. Yeah, 2026. So, see you next year. Bye-bye.